Okay, hello dear students. So today we are going to move to lesson number 3 in unit 6, where we live. Okay, and today we are going to have writing. We are going to write a short paragraph about or using what we studied in the previous sessions, vocabulary related to where we live. And when we say where we live, here we are talking about a house, for example, a house, or an apartment, a villa, as we have seen last time. It can be also a cottage. It can be a cottage. You know, cottage, a small house like this one. Okay, cottage. Or it can be, so we have a house, apartment, villa, a cottage. It can be a palace as well. Okay, palace, big building. Nice. And inside the house or inside the apartment, we have, as we have seen last time, we have rooms. For example, we have living room, we have dining room, living room where we sit with family, dining room where we eat together, kitchen where we cook, prepare food, bathroom where we shower, bedroom where we sleep. Okay, and we can have other parts in the house. For example, we can have a balcony, we can have a swimming pool. Can have a swimming pool, a garden where we have trees and flowers, and we can have a garage where we keep cars, and so on. And inside these rooms, as we have seen last time, we have objects. For example, if we take the living room or the dining room, we can have tables or a table. We can have chairs. We can have sofas. We can have pictures. Television. We can have discs, for example, or let's say armchairs, and so on. So we can have many objects, as we have seen last time. So now we are going to write a short paragraph using all these or some of these words, and you are going to talk about your house. It can be a house or an apartment, or you can choose a villa, palace, a cottage, and so on. So we are going to use these words and write a short paragraph. Okay? Thank you. Action. Okay, dear students, so now we are going to see this short paragraph as an example. But before we read the paragraph, I'd like you to follow these steps. For example, you start with your name, okay? Your name, type of where you live. Is it a house, an apartment, a villa, or what? Where is it? Is it in Lyon or in Meknes or in Fes? Is it in the country or in a city or in the countryside, in a village? Where? Then how how is it? Is it large, comfortable, small? And so when you use the adjectives, you know. And then what is inside this house? How many rooms are there? Is there a computer? Are there gardens, garage, and so on? So you mention some of these objects. Okay, so now we are moving to this paragraph. We are going to read this short paragraph. My name is Khalid. I live in an apartment with my family. Our apartment is in Laayoune. It's large and comfortable. There are 2 bedrooms, a living room. We have like this. A living room, a dining room, 2 kitchens, and a bathroom. In my bedroom, there is a nice bed, a bedside table, and a desk. There are also 2 chairs. There isn't a computer. There is a small closet. I like our apartment. I like our apartment. Okay? So this is just an example. I want you to write a short paragraph like this one with your name, your information, and try to use adjectives like large, comfortable, and so on. Try to use there is, there are, and there is, and the negative there isn't, there aren't, as we have seen in the last lesson, and try to follow these steps in order that the paragraph is good. Okay? See you inshallah in the next lesson. We're going to move to unit 7, and it will be about transport. Thank you very much.